back to properties of logarithms. These are the rules that we've just covered recently. So hopefully you have those. If not, stop the video long enough to copy these things down and then start the video again, because these are the rules that we're going to be applying here. And here I want to express as a difference. So we're going to express as a difference of logs. So we're going to express this thing as a difference of log. So we're going to take the rules that we have, and I'm going to take this. I'm going to take ln of x squared over x minus 1 quantity cubed, and I'm going to write this as a expanded expression. So I'm going to write this as a difference, right? So I want you to see that I'm at this rule right here, and this is the rule that I'm going to try to apply. So what I'm going to do is take ln of x squared minus ln of x minus 1 cubed, right? It's using rule 2 there. Keep in mind here, I guess that it is important to talk about the fact that here x must be greater than 1, right? Otherwise we'll get a 0 or undefined function. Also remember that the domain of all logarithmic functions is x, the argument, right? Here's the argument right here. The argument, this thing inside here, must always be greater than 0. So that's something important to look at. Okay, so from here we can look at rule 3, right? So I'm looking at rule 3 here. So now I'm at this rule, just to keep simplifying. Okay, I'm at this rule here. So I'm like, okay, I'm looking for exponents. And if I find an exponent, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it back and put it into the spot of a coefficient, right? So let's see if we have any of that here. And we do, don't we? Here's this exponent here, and we have an exponent here. So what I'm going to do here is just keep expanding this thing. I'm going to say that it's 2. So I took this 2 and I rolled it back to here. 2 ln of x minus, look, ln of x minus 1. What I'm going to do again with the exponential values, I'm going to pull it back here and tuck it away like it's a coefficient. And I'm going to put it just like that. And that's going to be our answer. All right? So look, what you need to do with this is memorize these rules and then apply the rules one by one. It actually is something that you can get really, really good at. And having some mastery over logarithmic functions is really, really important, because there's going to be times where you're just going to have to know this stuff, and there's not going to always be time to figure it out on the fly. So make sure you know this stuff. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.